Hi guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video we are going to be looking at a car which I'm super excited to have a closer look at. I've been holding myself off to have a look at it on this video, but today we will be looking at this little beauty, the RLC Nissan Skyline GTR. Super excited to have a close look at this one, and the badge and the patch that you get with it. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button and enjoy. So take her out of the protective. First thing is this badge you get with it. Hotel Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34. And it also comes with the RLC 2020 patch, which is really cool. I like that. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough to get this through the RLC program. If you did, thumbs up to you, because you definitely saved a lot of money on this. I've been sat waiting to try and find one at a reasonable price. There's no such thing. When you know it's right, you kind of just have to go with it. But this little beauty set me back about £85. Soft to the corner there. Still undecided whether to open it up or not. Maybe if I hit 1,000 subscribers, that'll be the first video I do, is opening this up. So if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a video of me tearing this out of the packet. But yeah, for now, there she is in all her purple glory. Such a cool car. One of my favourite cars of all time. This model does it all the justice. So much detail. See in there with the seats, with the harnesses, to the engine bay. How the bonnet lifts up. Wheels. With an exhaust detailing under there. Such a beautiful car, as I'm sure many of you. Such a cool car. So happy I managed to get hold of one before they reached too much of a silly price. I mean, £85 is a lot of money, but I can't say no. Really want to get my hands on the blue one, and if I ever was in a position to even afford, let alone find, the yellow one, that'd be a really nice set to have. But for now, I'm very happy with my purple Machine of Doom. Which, if we can make to 1,000 subscribers, we'll let the beast free and have a look at it in all its glory. But yeah, there's a quick video. I know a few of you wanted to see it, of the 2020 Nissan Skyline GTR, not the 2020 Nissan Skyline GTR, the Nissan Skyline GTR 2020 RLC Redline Club car. Thanks again guys. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. know you want to give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you're loving this car as much as I am, let me know how much you're loving it in the comments. And as always, I will see you guys on the next video.